Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about one of the feature of iOS 12. Siri reminds you to call people in iOS 12. It's been little over a month since iOS 12 started rolling out to everyone, and while the software brings improvement mostly in the form of performances and reliability of your iPhone, there are a bunch of new feature in there as well. Among these are new feature in Siri suggestion which reminds you to call people based on your habits and mood. Call people you usually call and call back people you have missed calls from. This feature is pretty useful for the anyone using iPhone. Basically, Siri now analyzing your calling habits and tries to figure out the partner on who you call and when. So if you call your parents in the morning or your significant other in the evening or maybe your best friend every day during the lunch break, Siri will learn this and will give you suggestion action to call that person during that time. So in the morning you might be Siri suggestion to call your parents, or in the evening you might see a suggestion to call your significant other, so on and so forth. It's pretty handy, and since it's Siri suggestion, it's always just swipe away. Other than that, Siri now also remind you to call back people you have missed call from. This kicks in when you missed a call or decline a call from someone. After a while, Siri will show up a Siri suggestion to call the person back. Now to be honest, this can be both good and bad depending on how many spam calls you get, because calling back a spam caller is quite obviously a bad idea. But if you missed a call from someone you know, this feature is pretty cool as well. Personally, I don't get a lot of spam calls, so while I testing out iPhone access, this was a good send for me. It depends on you, you may like or not. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you and see you in the next video.